Well, first of all, the fiesta coincides with our celebration ng patron namin, which is Saint Anthony Abbot. In fact, kanina, we had our mass presided by our bishop kasi nagpapakita lang na it's a Thanksgiving also. In fact, the first night, Thanksgiving yan eh. Pero siyempre, that's for the religious organizations sa amin dito. We had that yearly, it's a practice already na una sa unang gabi. And then also this morning, we had the Thanksgiving naman para sa ating patron din. For all the blessings that we are receiving for the town Villasis. Yun. The participation, more active participation ng ating mga balikbayans. And of course, mga twists sa aming celebration. Like, of course, this year, the barangay night was celebrated. Ang dati-dati kasi, ang ginagawa namin is biggest delegation. Pero sa barangay night, we had this kind of CBO dancing competition. So, yun. Yeah, educators, that's one new thing that we had, yung pagbibigay, yung awards sa mga outstanding Villasinians. And of course, last night, after the pandemic, medyo mas magarbo. In fact, I noticed that there are really plenty of balikbayans coming in already. I'm very proud that this year, we were able to get a big support. In fact, this year, nag-gross kami ng 12 million plus eh. So that's already a big leap. Ako talaga na-overwhelmed dahil sa magandang resulta, the success of the town fiesta. Isa lang ang salita dyan eh. Isa lang ang word na gusto kong paratingin sa kanila. Salamat. Yun. Maraming salamat.